Hey YouTube, it's Hannah. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video with my boyfriend Chaz because we are here today with NatureBox.
Which I paid for.
Yeah, mine's at home. We both got the sampler pack, so we could try them. So we're just gonna do his because I left mine at home. We were gonna do both, but alright.
Cut myself.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. You get 4 of the little like single serving packs and then 1 full size pack. And you get like, welcome to NatureBox. And then on the back it just sort of tells you what to do for your first pack, so let's
Yeah, wait.
start.
She's not eating any of it because most of it's nuts, so she can't do it.
Yeah, I'm allergic to nuts. So 2 of them have, one of them is cashews and one of them is almonds. So, because he got the same box that I did, and I definitely opened mine the minute I got it. So, let's start out.
So I could eat them all.
Yeah, that's why he's doing it with me, so he could eat them all. We have the cranberry medley.
I don't like cranberries, but
I don't care.
I know you don't.
Okay. So, and this is pomegranate and acai flavored dried cranberry and blueberries.
I just want steak.
I know. Alright.
Oh. So you're trying this one too?
Yeah. Mmm.
It's like raisins.
Yeah,
It's just raisins.
but you can taste the pomegranate. I can anyway.
I mean, they're good.
Hmm. And this packet is 100 calories. Yeah, so
Per bite?
per bag. Okay. I guess we'll do this one next. This is the Masa Crisps. And it's corn chips with flax seeds.
Oh.
You ready? And this packet has 140 calories in it. And I think they're all 1 ounce. Yeah, they're 1 ounce packs, so. Okay. They sort of look like,
Oh, you even show them what these look like.
they just look like raisins.
What?
It's a blueberry.
There's no blueberries in there.
Yeah.
What else is it?
Flax seeds.
No.
Flax seeds. I feel like I've bought these before.
Not bad. I'm afraid these next one. I'm afraid.
Okay. So these are good. You want to do these or do you want to do this first?
No, we'll do these.
Okay. These ones are the jalapeno cashews, which the 1 ounce of these has 160 calories in it. And I'm not going to eat these. So,
I know.
all on you. So these are all natural and it has, like, In the box it says no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils, no added sulfates, and stuff like that. So.
Oh man, the smell is just terrifying.
Can I smell it? Mmm. You can smell the jalapeno. Jalapeno's good.
Wow.
Are they spicy?
No. Yeah, they are. They're not bad.
You don't have to keep eating them. Ooh, I can smell the jalapeno from here now.
It's not super spicy, but yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
He was so scared to eat these ones.
I'll definitely get these again.
Okay. Alright. I'll let you finish that and then you can bring something else. Explain the next one.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, there's like...
A little design in it.
Oh yeah. Okay, so the last little like sampler that we have is the sweet blueberry almonds, which are just blueberry flavored almonds.
Not a big fan of blueberries either.
Yeah, he's a picky eater. Ooh, I can smell the blueberry already.
It's like a little powdered peanut. Not a big fan.
No?
No.
Alright. So,
How much
you really have to like blueberries.
160.
Yeah, so the blueberries in the 1 ounce have 160 calories as well, which is pretty good.
That's more healthy.
Okay, so when you order the sampler pack, you get the 4 samples, and I believe that usually everybody gets the same 4 samplers, and then you get 1 full-size snack, which it changes among different people, but me and Chaz got the same one, which I'm actually the most excited about this one. It's the sea salt Pop Pops, and they're like popcorn kernels. Yeah, that's all sea salted popcorn kernels. And in a half cup of these is 170 calories, and you get 4 servings. And the regular boxes cost $19.95.
Yeah, but you can get the 3 snacks for like $13.95.
Yeah.
You can get a thing with 3 snacks in it.
So the snacks come out. You pick 5 snacks and you get that for $19.95. So they come out to being about $4 each. And then you can add additional bags for $3 each after that. And they have like resealable packages, which is cool. Ooh, this one's full. So it's like
They're very dull.
I like them. There's not like a ton of flavor on them. It's like a genuine, like, lightly sea salted popcorn kernel. I believe in my pantry on NatureBox I have the Parmesan garlic Pop Pops. These are like a light snack. They're not as hard as I thought they were going to be.
Set.
Hmm?
I don't like them.
You don't like them?
Not a taste.
So, once you figure out if you want to stay with NatureBox or not, you can go on their website and add things to your pantry. You get to pick 5 snacks. And right now, I have so many snacks in my pantry because I can't pick what I want. And I actually just got him hooked on NatureBox as well. So I'm just really excited.
You don't even explain to my diet situation.
I'm just really excited to be getting packages when I go to school because everyone knows that when you get an email from the mail center that you have a package, it's like Christmas. So I'm really excited about that.
Can you be like this with
Yeah.
stickers?
Yeah. So overall, I enjoyed all the snacks that I tried, and he enjoyed all of them except the blueberry almonds, but he doesn't really like blueberries, so that makes
Blueberry
sense.
pancakes, blueberry waffles.
You like blueberry muffins too?
Yes.
Okay. He
Things
likes,
injected with
he
blueberry,
likes
but not
blueberry
that.
in baked goods. And like breakfast foods. Sorry. So that's it for our NatureBox review. I will definitely have an unboxing when I get my full NatureBox.
Wait for me.
Possibly when he gets his first NatureBox.
No. Next NatureBox. We have to do these.
Okay, I guess that we are opening it together.
I'll drive up to your school.
Okay. So, thanks everybody for watching. I know this is a little bit different for my channel, but I like doing videos like this too, so see you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye!